Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So I am in the Party City. I hope they don't mute some of this music because this music is loud, but I just wanted to show you guys really quickly what I see in here because I see a lot of cute, my GPS is still on because I see a lot of cute summer decor. So let's just jump right in and see what they have. Now look, right away right here, we've been seeing these little popsicle cups. Now I will say that these are a little more detailed, but these are $10. And then I did get Riley the blue one, this camera one from the dollar spot in Target. This one is cuter. They were $5, but this one is $10 in here. The decorations, these are $20. Easels, stakes included. The pool plastic party, the pool table cover, that's $8. And then they have these drink topper sets. Put that on top of your cups. Those are $4. Reusable straws, $2. There's some tattoos for $3. Lanterns, $18. One pack inflatable drink floats. These are $2.50. Inflatable drink holders, $7. They have the dinnerware in pink. This is $18. The pineapple. Heavyweight flannel backed table cover. These bowls are $5. The trays are $5. $10.50. Cooler bag. Inflatable cooler, $16. Inflatable buffet cooler is clearance for $11.25. The cutouts photo props, $6. Good vibes, $3. This backdrop is $10.50. This is $8. Splash, $20 for the beach ball lights. The shot glasses are $100 for $7, and these are $11. Lights up, summer vibes. This lights up, $10. The drink shaker. Jumbo palm tree cooler, $25, and these are $15. That's cute. And these are $10. The pineapples, the green leaves, $12. For the 20 pack. And then nice dinnerware. Foil balloon, $10.50. 26. 20 and $10.50. This is also $10.50. And they have all of their cute cups. So it's a flamingo and a beach ball, $3. Cute little strawberry cup. Strawberry and lemons. The coconuts, the octopus, the ice cream, pineapple, watermelon, some more pineapples, sharks. They have these in Dollar Tree, of course, $1.25. Not as thick, but taller. These are $4, and these are $3. Centerpiece, $12. The palm tree. Platter, $18. This is $20. Beach bar. All right, the glasses are $15. The drink covers, good vibes. Sunshine, state of mind. Beach Life, Make Waves, $6. Centerpiece, that's $3.50. The table scatters are $3. $7, $10. This music in here is really, really loud. And then they have that set. $20. $12. Sand and surf. Life is better at the beach. Surf shack to the beach. And a backdrop. $25. The decorative net. It's clearance for $9, and they have the bamboo lights for $10.50. Pop-up trash can bin for $4.30, and another backdrop for $18. It's the watermelon plates. Here's some leaves for $8. 3D backdrop, $16. Make waves. These is $10, $15. 16. This is 20. The balloon bouquet. $2.80. This stuff is cute. Snack cups for $7. Grill and chill, $12. Some more pop-up trash cans. These are $11. And then let's eat. And garland. Hot dog bar. Burger bar, $15. And then they have the inflatable cooler for $18. $15 the screwers. Apron. Chef hat. Cutouts. All of their lanterns. These are $14. These are $35. The lights, $12. $15 drink pouches, wild and free. Here comes the sun, beach please, good vibes, and then some more of the drink topper sets. That's cute. And the flowers. These cups are $6. These cups are $7, and then they have good times. The plates, the smaller plates, the napkins. Banner, $7, good vibes. The cutouts are $6. This balloon garland is $6. 3D backdrop, $15. $20 decorations, and then $6 sunshine on my mind. And then there's wild and free for $6. The backdrop is $20. How many glasses? 6 glasses for $15. $8. And these decorations are $12. And some more pop-up trash cans. These cups are $2.60, $3. Make time for sunshine. Welcome, aloha. All right, and it's pretty much going into Easter stuff after that. But I just want to throw this in there and show you guys real quick because it was cute. $5.50. And these mats. Welcome, I like that. Hello, summer. Happy camp. And cute aloha section over here. That's pretty. And then those cutouts, $15. And then the flamingos. The weights. This cup is on sale for $4.13. Hanging decorations. And then all of the flower color theme stuff. And then the rest of the Tiki bar stuff is over here. Backdrop. Oh, this is on sale for $5.25, $15, $8.25, $3, and then there's Tiki bar for $10.50. And the rest of the stuff is Easter. They have some graduation stuff too. Oh, patriotic. $3, and those are $8. And the graduation kits. But alright guys, that's it. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and peeping in Party City with me. I hope you guys can hear me. The music is like really loud. they have their speaker pumping. And it's early too. Usually when you come to the stores earlier, they kind of have the music a little low. Now that glitter about to be on my hands all day. Yeah, but hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.